Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate LinkedIn networking with Sales Navigator daily targets, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate LinkedIn networking with Sales Navigator, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the Sales Navigator section from the main LinkedIn dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface to understand the features available. Set your daily targets based on your networking goals. Identify the specific industries or job titles you want to connect with. Utilize the advanced search filters to narrow down your prospects. Create a list of potential connections that align with your objectives. Review their profiles to gather insights about their experience and interests. Craft personalized connection requests that reflect your genuine interest. Send out your connection requests at the beginning of each day. Aim for a specific number of requests daily to maintain consistency. Monitor the acceptance of your connection requests regularly. Engage with new connections through thoughtful comments on their posts. Share relevant content that showcases your expertise in your industry. Use InMail to reach out to prospects who are not in your network. Make sure your InMail messages are concise and value-driven. Track your interactions to keep a record of your networking efforts. Adjust your daily targets based on what works and what doesn't. Regularly assess the effectiveness of your networking strategy. Maintain a balance between sending requests and engaging with existing connections. Over time, build strong relationships that could lead to business opportunities. Stay committed to your networking goals for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.